The key to organizing a successful online event is by creating an event in EventBookings. So, without further ado, let us see how to create an online event using our website. First thing first, you need a profile in EventBookings to start organizing your events. So, if you do not have one yet, we need you to sign up and create your own account. But if you are already one of our members, just log into your account and press the Create Event button and select Online Event. In the first page, you will be asked to fill up some details about your event. Start by selecting a template for your event, because these templates determine the color, layout, and the background of your event. For a more lifestyle-oriented event, we recommend using the Health and Well-being template because of its soothing features. For educational purposes, we suggest the e-learning template designed keeping the student body in mind, and in order to have speakers for your event, then you will need to choose our talk show template because its unique feature lets you invite speakers for the event. And finally, if you think your event does not fall under either of these classes, then choose the standard webinar template for the optimum experience. Next, give your event a unique and catchy name. Having a unique name not only gives your event an edge, but it also attracts more visitors, and people would want to click on your event name to see what is cooking inside. For the next step, decide whether you want a more public or private event. By default, your event is public and discoverable on our website and search engines. However, you can also choose to keep it hidden by enabling this option right here. Keep my event information hidden, and move on to the next page by clicking Continue. However, if you choose to host a public event, then we have some tools to increase your exposure. Choose a relevant category for your event from our extensive drop-down list. Remember to choose a category that best describes your event, because when visitors choose that category, they will find your event there and would want to explore it. Similarly, pick keywords related to your events and list them as your tags. This boosts your discoverability by displaying your event in results every time anyone enters these words in the search engine. Now, when you are done with everything, select Continue to navigate to the next page. In this page, start by selecting your event date from the start date, the time, and the duration till which you want to run your event. Now it is time for a nice banner for your event. You can choose our default banner or upload your own images. You can upload up to 5 images. Pick up a vibrant, high-resolution image that accurately represents your event. Try to avoid pictures with lots of text or logos. Then you will need to enter the event details in the description section. The details should include vital information about your event, such as event timeline, rules and regulations, policies, dress code, frequently asked questions, etc. Next, we offer you the chance to host free events too. To host a free event, simply keep the I wish to sell tickets and limit attendees to my online event unchecked. You can also sell tickets of your event and restrict the number of people you want at your event. Just set up a ticket price and your preferred number of attendees. For paid events, we allow up to 50 members per event. To sell your tickets faster, just enable the early bird discount option to select your discount rate, or a fixed discount amount, and a deadline to avail it, and attendees who book your tickets within that period will be entitled to a discount of your choosing. You can also pass our service charge to your attendees, and set up a refund policy in case your attendees want to cancel their bookings. From the drop-down menu, select the appropriate refund policy for you and your guests, and then let us jump to the next page by clicking Continue. Now on this last page, for the talk show template you will see the option to add your speakers. And finally, to avoid any hassle before your event, enable the video and audio option to stop the platform from accessing your camera and microphone. Allow your guests to send message to all participants by enabling the Allow Guests to Send Message to All, and last but not least, hand over the control to mute or unmute themselves by enabling the Allow Guests to unmute audio and video themselves. Then click Create, and thus, your online event is ready to be published in the EventBookings website. Now simply press the "Click here to publish" button to publish your event.